this video tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to order lunch from the new online staff ordering system from WDMCS Nutrition. First, go to WDMCS.org, then select Menu from the Quick Links section of the Department's dropdown. Once you're on Nutrislice.com, you'll need to either log in or create an account. Once you're logged in, you can see all of the menus available. Select the staff ordering option for your building. All the staff ordering menu options have an X at the beginning of the title. Choose menus available for ordering. Now find the correct day in the menu calendar and select the items that you want. Each item is $3. You can do the Pick 2 meal with sandwich, half salad, and cup of soup options, or the full-size salad option. Both meals come with chips and a cookie. Even though it's called Pick 2, you can pick 2 or more items for $3 each. For each item that you select, click Add to Order and select between any options available for each food item that you select. When you're done selecting items, start checking out by clicking on the shopping bag next to your total price in the top right corner. Confirm your order details, then click Checkout. Select your preferred pickup time slot, and make sure Pay with Customer ID is selected. Orders must be prepaid to be filled, so make sure to add your lunch account number in the comment section. Then click Submit Order. You'll then see a confirmation screen and receive a confirmation email. Order each day by 9 a.m. or up to 30 days in advance. Thank you for using the new online staff ordering system from WDMCS Nutrition Services.